Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I'm back in the building with another motherfucking video. And today's hair is from Sunber Hair. I'm super excited because deep wave is my favorite texture of curly hair. So we do have us a 24-inch deep wave wig. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, and she's 150% in density. But let's get into this lace though. Look at how pretty it is. It's definitely pre-plucked, and I love the guideline they gave us for baby hairs. It's nice and neat, and it's natural. Okay, it's not too thick. So this is what the hair looks like overall. Well, let's get started. All right, so off camera I did decide to bleach the knots, as you can see. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead with installing our wig before we do our makeup. My brows were done off camera because they just take too long. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off of the wig before I proceed. As you guys can see, I am creating jagged lines so it won't be like a blunt line just going across my forehead. Okay, next, I'm taking this melting spray by Wig Dealer, and I love this formula. I love this spray. After working with this on a few installs, I love this stuff. Also, this stuff has humidity resistance in the formula, so y'all know it's hot this summer. Okay, it's gonna be hot out them doors, so I definitely love this product to use for the summer. Okay, I bought two. I'm glad I bought two because it sells out very fast. But sis, if you have not tried this, try it. Okay, please let me know how you like it, because like I said, this is a staple in my summer wig install routine. I also use 2 to 4 layers to make sure it's not going nowhere. Alright, so now I'm taking my Morphe contour shade just to place it on the outside of the lace. I no longer put foundation underneath of it, nor do I tint the lace underneath. I just place it on and just do this method. It's summertime. It's just too hot to be doing all those steps. I just feel like this is a quicker way. Now we're gonna get started with our makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize with the Pond's moisturizing cream. I know it's hot outside, but you still got moisturize your skin. Next, I'm taking a mattifying primer and gonna place this on top. Mattifying products are key for matte faces for oily skin in the summer. So I'm taking my Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade Coconut 355. I know it looks a little off, y'all. It looks a little bright, but it will oxidize. Mind you, I am suffering from eczema right now, and hyperpigmentation, so my skin tones are all over the place. Okay, I have so many different skin colors on me right now. If y'all would see. Ugh. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and use our Juvia's Place concealer. I don't remember if this is a mattifying one, but we're gonna use it today. I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight the underneath of my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. I want to look alive. Okay, this is 6-7 o'clock in the morning, y'all. I'm not even woke. Okay. So now I'm just going to take a deeper shade of concealer and blend it underneath of this. I like doing it because I feel like it just blends in better. I'm taking my beauty blender that I picked up from Marshall, and don't sleep on Marshall beauty blenders, y'all. This was $3.99, and this blends out my products like freaking butter. When I say butter, butter. Now I'm going in with my e.l.f. concealer. I'm just going to use this shade to contour with. Contour is needed, okay? We need to bring back the warmth and make everything look like something, okay? And like, I'm trying to get that chisel look because my face is a little bit round. So we're going to chisel the jaw, chisel that chin because I have two chins, y'all. I have two chins. So anyway, we're going to make it look like I got one, but I got two. Next, I'm taking my Sasha Buttercup setting powder and I'm going to place it on the areas I highlighted. Powders are going to be your best friend. I use about 2 coats or 2 different types of powders in the summer. I have oily skin, okay? So I will go out the house looking matte and then be outside looking like a grease ball in under 5 minutes. So I have to pack on my powders. And don't worry, it's not going to look cakey at all. Trust the process. It's not. So now we're going in with this bronzer shade. This is a buttery shade. I forgot the name, but check the description, y'all. And I love this stuff. I love it. It's so beautiful. It just brings back the warmth to my skin tone. Another powder, Airspun Translucent from Walmart. I picked it up. Drugstore, you can find it everywhere. Must get it, okay? It does have like a slight smell to it, but it says this sets your face. This will have your face sitting, okay? When I say sitting, I mean sitting. So yeah, I am gonna carve the underneath of my jawline so I can have like a more chiseled look, and then I'm just gonna blend that powder in. I don't do no baking, you know, because so I just press everything into my skin. Now I'm using my Morphe palette. I forgot which one this was, but I'm gonna put it in the description. I'm gonna take those 3 shades and blend it together to give my cheeks a pop of color. You know, it's summer, so we gotta look a little, you know, summery. So now I'm just gonna take the same bronzer shade and place it on the outside of my eyes. I just want to give my eyes a little look, nothing too much, but something. Next, I'm placing my mascara on, and then I'm gonna pop my lashes on off camera. Now I'm going to take some eyeliner. This eyeliner is supposed to be waterproof and 24 hours long lasting. So I think this is from Revlon. I think it's Revlon. Yeah, I love their eyeliner pencils. And one of my lashes was like, it made me look like I have a lazy eye because I just don't be putting them on right sometimes. Now I'm going to take my mattifying setting spray and I'm going to spray my brush, and I'm going to use this highlighter. I think this is by MAC. I think it's MAC Gold Deposit or Deposit, something like that. And we're just going to put a little glow underneath those brow bones, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead, just to give a little summer glow. Next, I'm going to take my NYX Espresso lip liner and we're going to line these lips. You got to have the lips. You got to have that glossy, juicy lip to feel that summer vibe. So yeah, we're going to get that filled in. And I'm going to take some concealer. I think this is by CoverGirl in the shade Honey. I don't know, y'all. Check the description. I'm going to use concealer to place on my lips. And then I'm just to place a little bit of that AU Natural by LA Color on there, just to give it a little razzle dazzle. And I top that off with some lip gloss. And it's like a little cute peachy shade. I don't know. I'm just here for it. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and get back to our hair since we're done with our look. Y'all know you can go from looking like you just rolled out of bed to something somewhat presentable. But now I'm just going to go ahead and straighten this middle part. And I'm going to take my So Char wax stick and I'm just going to go ahead and place that there and hot comb my hairline. Now I'm going to take some of that bronzer shade. It's not bronzer. This is my Morphe contour shade, and I'm going to place it in the part. And then we're going to pull out some baby hairs and get to swooping. I should have just did like subtle swoops, but I ended up doing like big, huge swoops. Don't ask me why. Don't ask me why. These were the type of baby hairs that I used to do back in the day, like when I first started my hair installs. But hey, it is what it is. But y'all, I love this hair. Let me tell y'all, I just love this hair. Now this hair, like I said before, is freshly washed and conditioned. Okay, I only washed and conditioned it because I had to bleach the knots. So I did get a little bit of shedding with this unit when I was washing it as well. I probably got a few snags as well, here and there throughout, washing and conditioning it. So yeah, I just was thinking of things that will go along with the rest of the review, but that is pretty much it. But anyway, we're going in with our hair goo. This is by Sochar as well. I have been raving about this stuff. Okay, this stuff is fire for your baby hairs. If you haven't checked it out, you need to, because it is fire. So I'm gonna go ahead and place that product on there and do my swoops. I don't know why I didn't just leave my baby hairs like I did in this clip. I didn't know they were looking that fire. So I'm doing my curly hair routine. I already wet the hair. I'm just going in with some foam wrap lotion. I think that's the only two products I decided to use today because I don't know. It was just like, let me just be simple. But I do make sure I saturate the hair. I want to try and install where I just use the foam wrap lotion because I see people do that all the time. Maybe it'll save me time because this do take a while when you saturate the hair because then you have to wait for it to dry, and but I do spray with water and do my foam wrap lotion. I think this is just I forgot the brand. Really forgot the brand, but this is pretty much it, y'all. I love how the hair looks once it's completely dry. It's so freaking pretty. It is so pretty. So this is basically my summer hair and summer makeup routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and until next time, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.